Hey everyone, today we are comparing ClickUp versus Monday.com, two of the most popular project management tools in 2026. If you are looking for the best software to manage your tasks, teams, and projects efficiently, this video will help you decide which one fits your needs. Let's dive in. Overview. First, a quick overview. ClickUp is an all-in-one project management platform. It combines tasks, docs, goals, time tracking, and even chat in one place. It's highly customizable and great for teams of all sizes. Monday.com is known for its visual project boards. It's very intuitive and focuses on team collaboration and workflow automation. While it may not be as feature packed as ClickUp, it's extremely user friendly and visually appealing. In short, ClickUp is for those who want full control and flexibility, while Monday.com is for those who prefer simplicity and visual organization. Key features comparison. Let's break down the key features. Number one, we have task management. ClickUp offers nested tasks, subtasks, checklists, and multiple views like list, board, calendar, and Gantt charts. Monday.com focuses on boards and timelines. You can organize tasks visually, but less flexible than ClickUp's hierarchy. Collaboration. ClickUp built in chat comments, mentions, and even docs for real time collaboration. Monday.com, great team communication, but relies more on integrations for full collaboration features. Automation and integrations. ClickUp, strong automation capabilities and supports over 1,000 integrations. Monday.com, easy to use automation templates and also supports major integrations but fewer advanced options than ClickUp. Pricing. ClickUp. Free plan is robust. Paid plans start at $5 per user per month. Monday.com free plan is limited. Paid plans start at $8 per user per month, but it can get expensive for larger teams. Ease of use. ClickUp has a learning curve due to its flexibility. Monday.com, very beginner friendly, especially if you prefer drag and drop boards. Pros and cons. ClickUp Pros, highly customizable, all in one platform, great value for features. ClickUp Cons, can feel overwhelming for beginners. Monday.com Pros, intuitive and visual, quick to set up, and excellent for teams' workflows. Monday.com Cons, less flexible and can get expensive. Who should use which? So, which should you choose? Choose ClickUp if you want an all in one solution, need advanced features, and do not mind a learning curve. Choose Monday.com if you want easy setup, simple workflows, and a visual way to track projects without too much complexity. And that is it. Both are excellent tools, but it really depends on your team size, workflow, and priorities. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below which one do you prefer, ClickUp or Monday.com. And see you in the next video.